Hello everybody, Navy Vet 76. I wanted to show you something I have. This is a Beretta model 1934 and it came from R Guns in Illinois. They imported them from a company in Germany called Waffen Herleben, where these were reconditioned. And in order to import them, they had to shorten the barrels according to the ATF. And why they had to do that, I do not know. So the price was right, so I bought one. And then I ordered the correct barrel, which I mean correct length barrel, from Centerfire Systems. And you can see it here. It sticks out a little bit. Now I want to pan down here and show you. Alright, now this gun comes apart pretty easily. Just first off, I want to pull the magazine out. I do not. This release on the bottom is pretty tough. Alright, get the magazine out. See this lever here, you want to slide this back and then rotate that lever around until it catches in the slide. And then this barrel just pops right out. Now this is the Centerfire Systems barrel. This is the barrel that came with the gun. And you'll notice there maybe 3/16 of an inch was cut off the end of it. Now if I put the original barrel back in, alright, give me a second here. Okay. Yeah, well, it's supposed to be easy. Okay, there we go. I didn't have the barrel all the way in. You'll see how far that sticks out. Not very far. I don't understand why they did what they did. Okay. But they did. Now, these don't just drop right in. At least this one didn't. There you'll see there's grooves on both sides, and they fit down in a little channel right here and slides in. Well, I had to lightly file this on both sides until it fit in my gun. And it didn't take long to do that. You can see it works very well now. I like the way this is designed. It's pretty cool. This barrel, however, that I got from Centerfire Systems, I'm not very happy with it. It's shootable, but it's got a lot of pitting in here. Very light pitting in the bore. It seems to have decent rifling, but I'm really not very happy with this barrel. So I have ordered another one off of eBay, and hopefully it's in better condition than this one. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this gun. It's really nice, very nice. It's the reconditioning, they did a really good job on it. This one was made in 1977. It's probably another reason why it's in such good condition. So they made these for quite a while. And it's an all-steel frame gun. And R Guns is the one that imported them in. And I'm very happy with it. I have not shot it yet. But the next step is out at the range. I'll see you there.